Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Let's speak rationally now. Last year we saw Notre Dame Cathedral burn. Those wrought iron spires topple. The roof cave in. My apologies to President Macron. It's not going to be fixed in my lifetime. I doubt my granddaughter will live long enough to see that cathedral repaired. It took hundreds of years to build it. 4 or 5 hours to burn to the ground in places. Going to have to replace a lot of structural woodwork. The trees probably don't exist anymore. But there is a good thing. France knows how to make structures out of iron and steel. They knew how to do that before the turn of the century when it became 1900. Gustav Eiffel. Think about it real hard. Still, to replace all that structural wood with iron or steel, going to be a long time. Then there's the decorative woodwork or the plaster ceilings or however they finish the inside for the artwork to be applied to. No, it's going to be hundreds of years before that place is repaired. They may limp along, fix a hunk of roof, and they don't have enough seating for 100 people. You know, but I will never see it rebuilt. I doubt my granddaughter will. I'm pretty sure her granddaughter won't either. And the money and the attachment to the place don't exist. That took hundreds of years to gather. Not going to happen.